Just came back from the gym and I'm getting ready for dinner tonight. So what we're gonna have for dinner tonight? Hand roll sushi. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna eat sushi, okay? Oh, first, we're gonna have a miso soup. Lots of miso soup, lots of veggies, tofu and carrot and kale and mushroom and shiitake and spinach and chard. I think that's what I put. So it's pretty healthy. And snow peas steamed and smoked salmon, mozzarella cheese, scallop, and salmon, cucumber, and tuna, and cured mackerel, carrot, and ginger, and kimchi. So it's not really Japanese, but hey, why not? And then pickled plum and the homemade salad dressing and a salad. So what we're gonna do is we take a little bit of rice and put on the seaweed and put whatever we wanna put on top of the rice and roll it and make a hand roll sushi. And each of us make own roll, and that's how we're gonna eat. It's pretty tasty.